the brainstem is composed of. And this question is referring to this section of the brainstem, which is involved in the very basic functions of human life, such as heart rate and respiratory rate, to keep us alive with the bare minimum functions. And within the brainstem, there are 3 different segments, so the question is asking us to determine what those 3 segments are. Now, before we go into the 3 parts of the brainstem, let's just quickly go through ones that we could eliminate easily just seeing them here. So options A and B both list the spinal cord, but that actually would be incorrect because the spinal cord, it is not part of the brainstem itself. The spinal cord would begin around the foramen magnum or around the base of the skull. There would be like a big opening inside the bottom of the skull, and this is where the spinal cord would begin. But this is not part of the brainstem, so therefore we could eliminate options A and B as these both list the spinal cord. And then we could see option D here has the cerebellum. And now the cerebellum, you might not really see it too much on this diagram, but we do have another diagram right there. And the cerebellum is that bun-like structure, kind of looks like the bun at the bottom of your head. If you put a bun in your hair in the bottom, right there, that is the cerebellum. That is not part of the brainstem. It is directly next to it, but it is not part of the brainstem. So therefore, this structure, cerebellum, we can eliminate, and we can eliminate option D. And then that leaves us with the midbrain, the pons, and the medulla, which are the 3 structures of the brainstem. Option C would be correct.